Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you students? Hope you all are fine, safe and secure at your home. I am your science teacher back with chapter 6, contagious diseases or communicable diseases. Students, as you all are aware of the current situation or the current disease which is prevailing all over the world, and what it is? Yes, it is COVID-19 or coronavirus. Students, what do you think coronavirus or COVID-19 is? It is? Yes, of course it is a disease, but what it is? Yes, it is very small or very minute organism or virus called microbes. We call it microbes. Microbes are those viruses which are very small and which we cannot see through our eyes. And these microbes, they cause diseases, but not all microbes are harmful. There are some microbes like virus, fungi, bacteria and protozoa. They cause diseases. There are two types of diseases. They are contagious diseases and non-contagious diseases. Contagious diseases are those which spread through direct contact with infected person. When a person is infected and we come in the contact of that person, the contagious diseases, they will be spreaded. And non-contagious diseases, they are not spread by direct contact with infected person. So today we will study about contagious diseases. Some diseases are airborne diseases, like when we come in contact with the infected person, like if the person who is infected sneezes in front of us, we get that diseases like tuberculosis, influenza, common cold and pneumonia. We need to take care of ourselves when we are going or visiting with infected person. We need to protect ourselves with various protection like wearing mask, and we need to stay away from them. There are various measures which we need to follow. And waterborne diseases. There are some kind of diseases which are spread through water. Water, when it is polluted or when it has some harmful germs in it, it causes diseases like cholera, typhoid. These are the diseases caused by water when water is polluted or when it comes in contact with the viruses of those diseases. And next is immunization. Students, as we all are aware that when we were small, or have you seen small kids taken for immunization? They give BCG, DPT. These are the injections which are given for small kids. Why they are given? They are given so that they are protected from the future coming diseases. So immunization is a process where we get vaccinated to protect ourselves from future diseases. And polio vaccine. We are all aware of polio vaccine, but polio vaccine is not under, it doesn't come under immunization. It is taken orally. Okay. And the next is diseases spread by insects or animals. What flashes your mind when I say diseases spread by insects or animals? Yes, it is mosquito. Most of the time we all hate mosquito because it causes diseases like malaria, dengue. All these are diseases spread by insect like mosquito. And the other animals, what are the other diseases spread by animals? Yeah, plague. It is caused by rats and rabies. When a dog bites, we get rabies. And next is how to control infectious diseases. Students, as you all aware of the present situation coronavirus, is what are the different measures we take to protect ourselves from it? Wearing mask. Then what do we do? Everywhere the ads are given to wash our hands regularly. Every now and then we wash our hands. We sanitize our hands. Then what do? We need to keep our surroundings clean. Then, as if the person is infected with any diseases, any of these diseases, we need to keep them isolated. Or have you ever heard the word quarantine? Yes, nowadays these words are very popular. Quarantining a person, because that diseases should not be infected to another person. So we quarantine them. And then we should not use the things which is used by infected person, like if they use any towel, if they use any utensils, all these should be kept separate, and even the person should be kept separate. And another thing is, we should avoid the stagnant water near our house. Like you might have seen water in the puddles there. Yes, it causes to breed insects in that, and these causes diseases which are spread by insects like malaria, dengue. All these are caused by insects or mosquitoes which are breeded by stagnant water. Stagnant water means a water which stays in a particular place. And next is to vaccinate ourselves. Vaccination, immunization, vaccinating. Vaccinating a small baby or vaccinating ourselves to prevent the disease, future disease, we are vaccinating ourselves previously. So students, what did we study today? Yes, we studied about contagious or communicable disease. How many types of diseases are there? There are 2 types. Which are they? Communicable disease and non-communicable disease. Communicable disease are those which are spread by direct contact with infected person, and non-communicable, it does not spread with the contact of infected person. And how is contagious diseases spread? It spreads through air, and it also spreads through water. And how to prevent it? We prevent it by taking vaccine or immunization. And other diseases are spreaded by insects or animals, and the different measures to control ourselves from infectious diseases. So students, as I explained, all these diseases which come under air, water, insects and all. So students, what do you think, in which category does coronavirus come, and what are the different precautionary measures to be taken to prevent ourselves from coronavirus or COVID-19? Do think over it. So, I hope you all understood the lesson. Thank you. Jazakumullahu khaira.